In BA, fifth sem, economic development, in that fifth unit of about the particular concepts are there, like capital formation and economic development, agriculture and economic development, industry and economic development, human resource and economic development, FDI and economic development, how the things, what I earlier said, all these things helpful for the economic development, those things we need to study in particular class. In present class, we will know about the capital formation and economic development. So, first let us discuss about its introductory part. Capital is one of the important factors which governs the quantity and the composition of output in a country. If there are increasing resources of capital in a country, it results in technological discoveries, raises productivity of labor, increases the rate of economic development, and provides higher standard of living for the masses. So, the actual meaning of capital formation is the process of building up the capital stock of a country through investing in productive plants and equipments. Capital formation, in other words, involves the increasing of capital assets by efficient utilization of the available and human resources of the country. Capital formation is very important. Therefore, we need to know about the importance of capital formation. Capital formation is regarded as one the important and principal factors in economic development. According to Nerks, the vicious circle of poverty in underdeveloped countries can be broken through capital formation. So, for the breaking off of that vicious circle of poverty, it's very essential factor. Capital formation increases production, so it helps to increase the production. It helps in the productive status. Capital formation increases employment opportunities. As the investment increases, the production also increases. Because of that, employment opportunity also increase. Capital formation leads to technical progress also. With the help of capital, we improve our technical things. Capital formation leads to the expansion of market. It makes the development possible even with increasing population. If a population is also increasing, there is no factor of that, because when we invest more capital, it's very helpful for that increasing population also. It's solving the problem of balance of payment. It also solves the problem of inflation. It helps to restructure the status of inflation. It reduces the burden of foreign debt. It raises national income also. So next thing, the low rate of capital formation is there, like backward countries and also developing countries. So we need to know about the reasons for that. One is regarding that for the low rate of capital formation is the first one is of low income, low production is there, demographic reasons are there, lack of enterprises is there, so lack of economic overhead is there, lack of capital equipment is there, inequalities in income distribution is also there, small sizes of market is also there, lack of financial institutions, so technical backwardness is there, deficit financing is there, increase in taxes also. Such things, what I told here, all these are the reasons for the low rate of capital formation. So this is of about the developing or the underdeveloped countries. Moreover, we need to know, whatever the country may be, the capital formation is must for the development of that particular country's economy status. For the development of that country, for the development of that strategies, there need a capital formation.